Welcome to Verinix Private Limited. Verinix is an AI-powered digital platform designed to help people learn, grow, and earn in the digital world. Today, millions of talented individuals have the skills and the ambition to succeed, but many struggles due to limited guidance, lack of opportunities, and restricted access to the right digital tools. Verinix was created to bridge this gap by combining journey begin with the referral ID. Users simply copy and paste the referral ID shared with them and proceed to the onboarding process. Next, they click on continue onboarding to begin their registration. Users are then guided to a simple registration form where they enter their personal detail including their name, email ID, and mobile number. So ensure security and authenticity. Vernix send a verification code to a both registered email address and mobile number. The user enter the email OTP, mobile OTP in their respective fields and complete the verification process. Once verified, the user create secure password and set up their account credentials. Before proceeding further, user review and accept the platform term and condition and then click create account. Now comes the excited part. User select the content, category or needs they are passionate about, whether it's technology, education, finance, motivations, health, e- entertainment, or any other topics. Phoenix help them building their digital presence around their voice. After selecting a niche, user confirm the name of their content channels and continue to next step. With the session completed, user can now access their personalized Vernix dashboard to unlock the platform full potential. User connect their YouTube channel securely through their Google account. The authentications allow Vernix to support content creations, channels management, and long-term channel growth. Once onboarding is complete, the profile entered the Vernix approval process. The Vernix admin team carefully review each profile and approve eligible user. After approval, user gain access to train models and tutorials, learning resource, a growth strategy, and a personalized guidance designs to help them succeed in the digital ecosystem. Through this structures process, Veronix empower individual to develop valuable skills, grow successful content channels, create new income opportunities, and become part of rapidly expanding digital community. As more create, join, and grow, the Vernix ecosystems continue to generate value for everyone involved. Vernix is not just a platform, it's a complete AI powered growth ecosystem built to help people learn, grow, create, and earn in the digital age. Thank you for exploring the Vernix journey.